Hey everyone, it's Nicole from YesStyle, and today we're going to be multimasking. Not every part of my face has the same skin concern. My cheeks are quite dry and sensitive, while my T-zone is a little bit more congested and produces more oil. By multimasking, I can treat everything at once. I'll start off with the I'm from Volcanic Mask. This is made with volcanic ash from Jeju Island, which is going to help to cleanse pores. So I'll start by applying this in a really thin layer, just in the areas that have congested pores. Next I will be using the Real Rose Calming Mask. This super moisturizing gel formula is formulated with rose leaf as well as rose water to really soothe and hydrate dry, sensitive areas. I'll be applying the rose mask everywhere I didn't apply the volcanic mask. Lastly, I'll be popping on some Secret Key Gold Gel eye patches. Infused with hyaluronic acid and seaweed extract, these eye patches really help to hydrate and smooth the under eye. I'll leave this on for about 15 to 20 more minutes, rinse it off, and then we've multi-masked.